welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this orangey brown makeup look, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm first going to start off with the brows, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde. Once I finish filling in my eyebrows, I'm then going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm going to apply this to the top of my eyelids so that when I put down my eyeshadow, they will really pop. Once I've blended out the concealer, I'm then going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm going to apply this on top of that concealer so that the eyeshadows can blend out easily. The palette that I'm using today is this Morphe 350 palette, and the first shade I'm going to dip into is this orangey brown color, and I'm going to apply this through the crease. Once I applied that color, I'm then going to dip into a lighter orange, almost yellow color, and apply that through the crease as well. I'm then going to dip into that brown color and put it on the outer end of my crease so that I create more of a smoky eye look. Once I've finished doing those crease colors, I'm going to use this champagne gold color to pop in the center of my eyelid. I then pick up this light color right here so that I can blend out all the colors that I just used, just to make it even more blended. Once I finish with the eyes, I'm then taking a makeup wipe and wiping off any of the excess powder that has fallen off, and then using my Benefit Pore Professional Primer. I then use my MAC Studio Fix Foundation and apply a generous amount all over my face. Once I've blended that out, I'm then going back into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and applying that underneath my eyes. After I blended that all out, I'm then using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to bake underneath my eyes so that the concealer does not crease. Using my MAC Studio Fix powder again, I'm applying that all over my face just to set down the foundation. And wiping off the excess powder from the translucent powder, I then use my MAC bronzer in the shade Give Me Sun, and this shade is amazing. It creates the most sun-kissed look, and it definitely worked for the look I was going for today. After I finish using my bronzer, I then go back into my Morphe 350 palette and then start with the eyes. I go back with that orangey color right there and apply it to my waterline. I then pick up that brown color again and apply that also to my bottom lash line. Just to kind of reflect what I've done to the top of my lids, I'm going to do exactly to the bottom. Once I have finished doing my eyeshadow, I then pick up my Maybelline Colossal Mascara and I'm going to apply a generous amount to my eyelashes so that when I put my falsies on, they have something to stick onto. Falsies on. Oh, I have a guess. This is my cat Bullseye. I know that you're feeling the same. I guess I should take all the blame. Anyways, so now I am going to put more mascara and apply this to the bottom lashes. But you knew this was gonna hurt, 'cause I still got some things to learn. I'm never gonna let you down. I know that you've been frustrated. I'm hoping that we can make it. I then go and pick up my California blush by Benefit and apply this beautiful shade to the apples of my cheeks. After I put the blush on, I then take this Hourglass Ambient highlighter and I'm going to take that champagne color in the middle and pop that to the cheeks. After applying it to the cheekbones, I also like to run down a little my nose and also on my Cupid's bow. Once I finished that, I go ahead and went back into that Morphe 350 palette and grabbed the lightest color so I can highlight my brow bone. Lastly is the lip color. I couldn't decide which color I wanted to use, but I ended up picking the more rosy color, which worked out perfectly. And once I was done, it was time to complete the look with some earrings and put my hair down. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you next time. Thank you.